Hey folks, Fed here, and today I am going to show you a demo of the patterns feature in GummySearch. This is brand new, really powerful, and I am super, super excited about it. So I am in my audience of Airbnb hosts, and what the patterns feature does is you can look at any large amount of Reddit posts or comments. Like right now, we're looking at the solution requests, we're looking at 100 of them. And if you go to patterns, you can analyze these 100 submissions, find common patterns. This will save you 30 minutes of reading time. Just press this button, gives you a little estimate that it'll take about 9 seconds to crunch the numbers. And now you can see we found 3 patterns within those 100 submissions. And you can read about each one of these patterns found. You can explore the submissions, or you can bookmark them, save them for later, kind of go through and find some of the signal in the noise. Now, a couple of other options that you have here, you can go ahead and reset and find patterns in more than the 100 submissions that you looked for. So you can just like toggle this to 200. Typically 200 will give you the best results. You can also, so let's go ahead and do that. Also, if you've run a certain analysis, then you won't have to rerun it again. You won't have to wait. You can just look at the past results, or if you want to run it again, then you could just recalculate. So you can see with 138 submissions, we have some more patterns here. You can see these new ones came up, the loans for properties, construction loans. You can toggle to get a little sneak peek of what the common patterns are, what's the exact terminology that was used to find this pattern. And if you want to download, you can download the CSV and do whatever you want with this data. Now this patterns feature can be found when you're looking at the conversation categories here. You can also just search for any keyword. So for example, if we search for property tax, here's 100 submissions that mention property tax, and we're going to analyze them. Takes about 11 seconds, and it saves 84 minutes of reading time. And here you go. Here's 10 patterns that we found. And yeah, you can just go ahead and dive in. Besides searching in your audience, you can also look for patterns within any of your tracked keyword searches, any of the conversations that you've bookmarked, and you can use it on the advanced search, which is nice because then you can also find patterns in comments. So for example, if we want to look at comments that say, I wish someone would build, and then find the patterns here. And here you go. So these patterns are, I guess, general people asking for something to be built, whereas this is around building new housing in various areas. This is people wanting someone to build them a house, people asking for a replica of something. And yeah, so that's the patterns feature. As I mentioned, I'm super excited about it, but it is really new. So I would love your feedback to make it better. Thank you.